Yo, 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 what up, what up? It's Friday, about to get the day started, about to get in this video. I'm gonna be taking y'all on a journey with me, let y'all see how I do my job throughout the day. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get logged in. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a little visual walk around, but it's called a pre-trip. But just gonna walk around, make sure everything intact. You feel me? All right, come on, let's go. All right. As y'all can see, I share a truck with somebody, and they didn't put no fuel in the truck right there. They put some in this one. They put some in this one, but they didn't put none in this one. So I gotta go fill up. Hey man, this these folk crazy. At this company I work at, like these folk be running around here like chickens with the head cut off, trying to get the job done. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't gonna lie, like I'm not doing it. I'll be productive, but I'm not doing it. Running around here like a chicken with the head cut off. I ain't doing it. We all get paid the same. Um, we come in at the same time. We all got the same job title, and we all leave at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So Like, for them to be running around here like that, killing themselves, I'm not doing it. They can, but I'm not. You feel me? But, you know what I'm saying? I still gotta go fuel up. I gotta put some fuel in the car. I mean, in the truck. I gotta put fuel in the truck. And right now we kind of slow, so that's why I came back on the video. But my first run, my first run, I ain't take y'all with me. You know what I'm saying? Cause I just had to go on, give me one in. It's like we do. I'm a local driver. We do shuttle work, so we come to this company, and then we take uh, loaded trailers down to another company, and then we bring back empty trailers. Or sometimes we don't bring back no trailer, depending on how the workflow going. You feel me? But when we get another load, right now the work slow on the Friday, and that's a blessing. Like usually on Wednesday and Friday, it's like when the most work is produced. But man, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I get my next load. But I'm not finna run around here like a chicken with the head cut off. You feel me? I'll be productive, but I ain't finna do that. I ain't finna work myself to death. But uh, we'll get another load. I'm saying y'all gonna come out here with me. All right, y'all. The work done picked up, so I got me a load. So come on, let's go. Y'all, that's why my boots look like this, cause I be kicking the tires. Look at my boots. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie though. I'm on lunch break right now, but it's gonna look like I did one load and went to lunch. But nah, for real though, I did about I did about 10, 12 loads off the camera. You know what I'm saying? I did like 10 to 12 loads off the camera. It's like I ain't been having time to. It's like we was getting busy, so it's like I had to go on and bust a move. Like I had, you know what I'm saying? But I'm on lunch break right now. So I'm gonna try to get y'all I'm gonna try to get y'all some more angles. You know what I'm saying? Try to get y'all some more angles. You feel me? But yeah. Why every time I decide to record, the thing wanna vibrate? But yeah. I'm I'm not I'm not gonna promise y'all that I'm gonna get y'all some angles. I'm gonna try to get y'all some angles. You feel me? I'm gonna try to get y'all some angles. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get y'all some more truck work and everything. So just right here chilling, man. Man, These people, they, like I said in the beginning of the video, like these people so funny. Like they be trying to rush and do the job, and it's like we got 10 hours. We on 10 hours today. We on 10 hours today. So like, the faster you moving, the faster you gonna burn yourself out. Me, I'm just going. I'm going steady. I'm not running around like a chicken with the head cut off. I'm being productive though. I'm being productive though. You know what I'm saying? And it's like they taking it way too serious. Like, I mean, I know a lot of people take their job serious because I take my job serious, but I don't take my job as serious as them. Like, they gotta be like, go, 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 move, 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 move. I'm like, nah. Yeah, I think that's a sign. Like, every time I want to record, this train comes. Why is that? Every time I come on here, I be parked right here. Like, you go look at some of my recent videos, and every time I park right here, the train comes. And it's the end of the day. I know I didn't give y'all a lot of footage of me working, but it's basically the same thing, just doing the same thing over and over again all day. Like, just back and forth, back and forth. But I need to invest in me a mount that I can put right here on the window so y'all can get that outside view. So y'all can see me driving, y'all can see me bagging up, y'all can see everything. So in the next video, we're gonna have us a mount that mount to the window so we can put the phone and the camera facing out. Y'all can see the same thing that I'm seeing. You feel me? You probably see my grapefruit head. You know what I'm saying? When I put this mount up. So y'all gonna see everything on the outside. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for the next video. But I hope y'all enjoyed the little bit of content that I gave y'all. And I'm gonna keep bringing y'all these trucking videos and some of these personal lifestyle videos. It ain't gonna be a lot of those, but it's gonna be some of those, you feel me? But we made it to the end of the day. This Friday, we gotta be right back. We gotta be right back tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? We on a 6-day stretch this week and next week because, like I told y'all, we finna get ready to go on a 2-week shutdown. You know what I'm saying? We finna get ready to be off work for 2 weeks. You feel me? So I gotta get every penny, every dime, every nickel, every dollar. You feel me? Gotta grind it up. You feel me? But with that being said, y'all, it's the end of the day. It's the end of the video. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. You feel me? But I'm about to shut it down for the night. I'm about to pack up all my stuff so I can get up out this truck. I gotta be right back here at 6 a.m. at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We've been doing tens. We've been doing tens for like the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But you know, last week was Thanksgiving, so we was doing 10 last week, but we only worked 3 days last week. You feel me? This week we working 6 and we working tens. You feel me? But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all been showing up and showing out. I'm out.